Class 8, Chapter 3, Exercise number 3.3, question number 2. Expand. Let's see the first Roman number, 3 plus m whole cube. Solution. Now compare this with the identity that is a plus b whole cube. We know the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now compare this with, in the place of a is equal to 3 and then b is equal to m. That is 3 plus m whole cube is equal to, now substitute in the places a and b. A is equal to 3. That is 3 cube plus 3 into a is equal to 3. Here we have square. And in the place of b is equal to m plus 3 into a is equal to 3 and then b is equal to m. Here we have square. Then b cube, and the b value is m and then cube. Now multiply this 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27 plus. Here we have 3. 3 square. 3 into 3. 9. 3 square means only 2 times, right? 9 m plus 3 3s are 9. M whole square is nothing but m square. And m whole cube is nothing but m cube. Now this term is equal to 27 plus 3 9s are 27 into m plus 9 m square plus m cube is the expand form of 3 plus m whole cube. You can leave here itself or you can rewrite in that form the terms m cube in first and then m square in second term and m as third term and then constant term. The standard form of algebraic expression, right? This is also the standard form of algebraic expression. The standard form of algebraic expression either in a descending order or in a ascending order. That is the variables power. Here we have the descending order, here we have the ascending order, increasing power, right? Next we see the second Roman number 2a plus 5 whole cube. The same formula we are using. Solution, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Now compare with this a and b. In the place of a is equal to 2a, in the place of b is equal to 5. Now substitute in this term, that is 2a plus 5 whole cube is equal to a. A is nothing but 2a whole cube plus 3 into a is nothing but 2a whole square and b value is 5 plus 3 into a value is 2a and then b value is 5 whole square plus again b is 5 cube. This term is equal to, when we cube or square the term, each and every term should be square or cube. 2a, that is 2 cube and then a cube plus 3 into, here it has 2 square and then a square into 5. Or otherwise we can write in that form of 2a into 2a into 2a as an expand form. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into a square into a is a cube. When the base are equal, we can add the power 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That is a cube. Directly we can able to write. Plus 3 2s are 6 into a, 5 5s are 25. Plus 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Now 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A cube plus 2 square is 4. Here we see 3 5s are 15 into 2 square is 4 a square plus 6 5s are 30, 0 remainder 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15, 150 a plus 125. This term is equal to 8a cube plus 15 fours are 60a square plus 150a plus 125. The expand form of 2a plus 5 whole cube is equal to 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 125 is the answer. Thank you, students.